For helmet situations that can be installed with universal bendable spoiler.
Number 1. Helmet which has a spoiler already, but you want to have more bigger spoiler.
Number 2. Helmet with broken stock spoiler.
Number 3. Helmet with no spoiler.
Number 4. Helmet with short spoiler.
Identify yours from these for helmet situations.
Step 1. If you have applied shiny chemical in the back of the helmet,
Wipe it with cloth partially soaked with soap.
then dry it with dry cloth.
This ensures the effectivity of the adhesive.
Step 2. Remove clear protective wrap.
Type a spoiler. Step 3. Bend the spoiler based on the shape and contour at the back of your helmet. Flat center installation style.
Bend center installation style.
For those who want bigger spoiler, follow this step.
Type B spoiler. Flat center installation style.
Bend center installation style. If your stock spoiler is broken, follow this step. Type B spoiler.
You can do flat center installation style or bend center installation style.
If your helmet has no spoiler, follow this step.
Type B spoiler.
You can do either flat center installation style or bend center installation style.